In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can access your Salesforce account successfully and securely. First things first, you'll want to launch your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or whichever browser you feel most comfortable using. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the address bar at the top of the window. Here, you will want to type in the URL login.salesforce.com and then hit the enter key on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Salesforce login page. Now, as the page loads, you'll see a login form in front of you. This is the main area where you'll input your Salesforce credentials. Begin by entering your registered Salesforce email address. Remember, this email address serves as your username, so ensure it's the one you've linked to your Salesforce account. Following that, you'll need to input your password. It's vital to get these details right to avoid any login issues. If you have a tendency to forget your credentials, consider using a password manager for extra convenience and security. Once both fields are correctly filled, you're ready to proceed. Click on the Login button. However, just a quick heads up, if you've set up multi-factor authentication or MFA, there's one more step to complete. Sometimes, if Salesforce detects you're logging in from an unfamiliar browser, you might also be prompted for additional verification. In such cases, you'll receive a security code sent to your registered email or mobile device. Simply check your messages or email, retrieve the code, and enter it in the provided field. Afterward, click Login once more. For those of you who prefer, there's also the option to click on Login with email as an alternative login method. This can be handy and at times more straightforward, especially if you frequent Salesforce and have your email readily accessible. And that's it. You've now successfully logged into Salesforce. Before wrapping up, let's do a brief recap. First, launch your web browser and navigate to login.salesforce.com. Enter your username and password and hit Login. If prompted, complete any additional verification with your security code and you'll be good to go. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, making your Salesforce login experience smooth and hassle-free. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions, be sure to check Salesforce's support resources for additional assistance. Thank you for watching and happy Salesforce navigating.